All right, how's it going? So today we're going to make this wonderful potato curry. Really, really delicious. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's simple, it's spicy, it's delicious. You can see those potatoes in this one are super chunky. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, so we're going to start with our potatoes. Now, for this curry, I'm using really quite large potatoes. You can see I've got a plastic glove on, by the way. We're going to get in there in a minute with some spices. So they're really quite chunky. You can cut it smaller if you want, of course, but yeah, we're going for a chunky one today. Let's just have a look here. I've got a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, turmeric and chili powder. We're going to get that all in. And this is why we're going to need the glove on, because we're going to go in there now and give that a little mix up, and then we're going to get over to the cooker. So here we go. We're going to start off with the potatoes. I'll show the other ingredients once we get these on the go. We're going to start off by dropping into our oil, and I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil. You might want to reduce that if you know, it's up to you really. Okay, a couple of teaspoons here of cumin seeds, and then if you can get them, some fresh curry leaves, about a tablespoon of curry leaves. So we're on just slightly above medium heat. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our potatoes that have been coated in the seasoning, and because these are quite large, you don't want to be any higher than this, you know, medium or just above medium, and we're going to fry these around for 5 to 6 minutes. So while our potatoes are cooking, let's look at some other ingredients. We've got 2 cups of tomato cut nice and small, a cup of onion, I'm using red and it's sliced, fresh coriander, or cilantro as many of you call that, maybe half a cup there, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two, fresh green chili, the amount's up to you, you can see what I've got there. And then here, our spices. We've got a teaspoon of chili, cumin, and turmeric. And then here we've got 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. So these potatoes are very hard still. We've got a lot of cooking to do, but we've got them on their way. We're going to now drop in that 1 cup of the onion, the 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in most stores, or like us, we make it ourselves. Fresh chili to taste. Like I say, up to you what you want to put in. Stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes. Stir in fairly often. Incredible. Okay, let's get in our tomatoes. 2 cups tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. And then we're going to put in our spices. Let's just take one more look. 1 teaspoon chili, cumin, turmeric, 3 teaspoons coriander powder. That's going to be a nice kind of heavy flavor in this one today. A little mix here. Then we're going to add 2 cups of cold water. Stay on this medium heat. Now go for about 6 or 7 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down. They might even give off a little bit more moisture as they cook, depending on how juicy they are. Just give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful stuff, beautiful. All right, so you can see that the water's evaporating down as we were cooking it there. Now, if your potatoes are not ready yet, add some more water, repeat. I mean, I'm good, but that is fabulous. Off goes the heat. Cilantro, coriander, whatever you call it, in it goes. Check it for salt, it's going to be perfect for me. I love this one, nice and chunky. Lovely stuff. Well done, everyone. Okay, there you go. Look at that. I mean, that's really, really beautiful. I love that one. I hope you enjoy it. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.